Hello everyone, welcome to Projects with Gaurang, and today we are going to start with our LangChain Mastery course. In this course, we are going from absolute beginner to advanced, or you can say to expert, with the projects. So, why do you need to use LangChain? I'm sure you have used ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or any other LLM. So you have used it for questioning the answering, and now there are many features like image generation and all that. But when they come to the real world apps, so LLMs are powerful, but in real world apps, what happens is that there are many other things need to be taken care of. We need to make sure that your LLM does not hallucinate. Hallucinations are a big problem in LLMs. You need to make sure that certain private data for particular user, when LLM interacts with the user, it should be accessible to LLM. You need to make sure that memory access is there. Like if you are using certain applications, or if you are making certain workflows where memory is important, if user has stored something, if user have told LLM to remember something, that should be remembered. So these are the things which LLMs can't do on their own. That's why we use LangChain. Now, what is LangChain? LangChain is a framework for your LLM applications. So what happens is that LangChain combines your retrieval methods. Retrieval methods include reading your PDFs, PPTs, anything. Your agents, these agents can be AI powered, or they can be simple non AI powered agents also. You can attach monitoring systems to it. You can monitor the cost, performance, and usage, the time of usage also. Then there are other tools and the memory. You can attach all of them with LangChain, and what you do is this LangChain helps you to feed all these other things or attach them to LLMs. So the LLM, that is also very variable. You can use a Hugging Face model, you can use the Gemini model, you can use any model with API, or you can just use your own which are downloaded in your computer. So I will be going with Gemini because it is easy and it is not hidden behind a paywall. So it will be easy to follow along. There are four major components of LangChain. First is LCEL, then LangGraph, LangSmith, and LangChain Core. So we will study each one of them in detail in coming videos. Now, what are the problems we have and how LangChain solves them? So LLMs forget, and LangChain provides us with the memory so that LLMs don't forget. No private data the LLM can access. We have retrieval mechanisms in LangChain. Hallucinations is a problem. LangSmith helps a lot with hallucinations. It keeps them under control. And for complex workflows, we have the LangGraph. Now, some real world use cases. Your customer support bots, because what happens is that in customer support bots, we have a knowledge base, and we want that the bot should answer based on that particular knowledge base, or you can say knowledge center, to the user. Then there is a research assistant. You can also make enterprise AI, which also monitors, like it includes monitoring also. And you can make a number of cases, like this is just an example. You can make anything, whatever you can think, you can make. Now, how the journey will go. So first we will learn about basics, like how to give prompts, what is LCEL and all that. Then we will go with memory and RAG, retrieval augmentation. Then agents and tools we will include. Then LangGraph workflows. Then we will debug with LangSmith. Then advanced RAG. Then deployment. And lastly, we will have a Capstone project. So that's all for this video. From next video, we will start coding, and in next video, you will learn how to build your first LangChain app. So if you like this video, please subscribe and follow along for next videos. Till then, bye and take care.